Okay, so a friend of ours showed us this cool germ experiment online, so me and Amelia are going to do it for you guys to be able to do. So what do we have, Mills?
So we have water, salt, a small bowl to put the soap in, and the water is going to go into the big bowl.
Okay. And so the water represents surfaces, right,
Yes.
that we would touch. Germs.
And the
Pepper
is the germs.
All the germs we want.
And you have to put a lot in.
Yeah, because it represents a lot of germs that we touch all the time on surfaces, right?
Yeah.
Tables, handles, doorknobs.
Everything.
Yep. A lot more, baby. Yep. More and more.
That's good.
Maybe a little bit more.
I think that's enough.
Let's do a few more shakes. Like really shake it. There we go. Nice and covered. Okay. So.
Now we pour the soap in the little bowl. And
That's
you
good.
don't, if you want, you can put a lot in, but my mom wants me to put a little in.
That's right.
Because
you can just kind of rub your finger in there.
Because it would waste.
Thank you. All right, so one
and
finger.
It only works one time.
Okay, so one finger goes into the germs. And then you can, so this is when you put your hands.
The germs.
Let's see,
and you
get it close up. Wait a minute, let's see your finger with all the germs on it. Okay, you know what, let's get a little bit more germies in there.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure everybody sees it real good. Ew, look at all those germs. Uh-oh, you already have something on your fingers. Okay,
Now.
There we go. Okay, so you got the germs on your fingers, and
put a different finger into the soap.
Okay.
And you gotta put it on your nail, everything.
So this is
not on your hand, because that would be waste.
So we're representing how soap helps, right? And help washes all the germs away.
And then you put the soap finger in the soap water.
In the germy water. Whoa.
And it's so cool. If you want, you can wash your hands.
So we got a nice little experiment there to try with your family and let the kiddos do it. It's fun, simple, and yeah. And what did we learn, Mills?
We learned that you always gotta wash your hands.
Awesome. Thanks so much.